I doubt, but maybe that could be the Eiffel Tower back there. I just don't know. We just want to get a feeling. This line right here, because I'm doing his painting, I'll try to keep that in mind. What's weird, I'm drawing this, reasonably carefully, but this might all go away when I put the paint down, and that's okay. Up here in the sky, right here, we've got this shape of the cloud. I can come up. So there's the sun. So this shape kind of comes in and melts into these shadowy shapes over here. It kind of comes back a little bit. Okay, we can do that. Even if I don't end up doing this exactly like this, and I'm going to change the colors a little bit. I know this is fading off up here in a little bit. I don't need to worry about all these little shapes of the clouds and how much orange and all that right now. I'll worry about that later when I get with a brush. Here is sort of what this cloud structure looks like. Nothing's going above the clouds. My sun looks a little big. I might go a little smaller with that. If you erase, saying, oh, I drew it too big, what happens is you roughen up the paper, and then when you put the paint down, the paint goes differently where you've erased than where it hasn't been erased. So good painters generally agree, don't erase.